Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a low mileage 2012 Ford Focus SEL, stock number E1401P. Only 66,000 miles on this Focus, race red in color. Focus is a very safe vehicle. It's an Insurance Institute of Highway Safety's top safety pick. Seats 5 with a leather interior. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Rear wiper, washer, and defrost for excellent visibility. And rear parking sensors for additional safety. Lots of cargo space in the rear with a removable privacy cover. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This SEL has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, moonroof, with driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, easy to operate radio and CD player, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices, great for wireless music streaming, dual zone automatic temperature control, automatic transmission with manual shift capability, heated front seats, storage in the armrest with USB and auxiliary input, allowing you to connect those media devices, and a spacious glove box with the owner's materials inside. Overhead, auto dimming mirror, moonroof control, and HomeLink transmitter for garage door. Under the hood, this Focus has a 2-liter, 4-cylinder, 160 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the car. Excellent fuel economy. EPA average of 27 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 37 on the highway. All that with new tires and new brakes. For more information on this Focus, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.